A multi-agency investigation has been initiated after payloads flying President Mnangagwa were allegedly targeted with the ground lasers while approaching Robert Gabriel International Airport. ZimLive is learned. Ashpere mushe murezimbabwe zvonzi aiwa mapilots anga achidzikisa ndege yanga yakatakura vaide Mnangagwa zvonzi aiwa ndege yavo yanga yakanangana nemalazers zvava zvaita kuti parezi maspeculations ekuti aiwa pane maattacks ada kuitwa mune mutungamiri wenyika. Sara pina mashoko buda nyongomzora nhasi ndobva subscribe like kuti on the bell vanyora vachiti the incident reportedly took place just before 7 p.m. on July 12 as the president returned from a trip to Mozambique aboard in Air Zimbabwe Boeing 737. According to sources, the pilots reported being blinded by laser lights during their approach to the airport. Authorities are treating the incident very seriously and have launched a multi-agency probe involving the Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe, the Air Force of Zimbabwe, Police Intelligence Services. President's spokesperson George Charamba declined to discuss the exact nature of the threat, stating that doing so would jeopardize investigation currently underway. Ndo mashoko tukuna pana zvisi awo mutungamiri wenyika zvionekwa kuti awo pane malasers anga akatageta ndege yanga ari zvareza maspeculations kunzi aiwa anenge ari under attack. Tauri mapurisa, team reintelligence, the aviation vese va under investigation kuda kuona chichachiitika place chichachiitika pandege yakatakura mutungamiri wenyika. Tudze mafungiro enyu pene comment section medu. Sawa no subscribe kulike, chimutina on the bell icon.